which are a melody in Mother Nature's song. Of the earth we take our birth, this is our home. As we share this earthless flesh, we could never be alone. And though we may bear different fruits, you know that we all share one common root. And as we share this earthless bone, you know that we are all united as one, because Mama Nature is within. Mama Nature is under our skin, and we can't turn our backs on nature, because our backs are made out of her. Oh, we love you, Mama Nature. Clouds turn to creeks in the form of heaven sent rain, which are a part of the cycle with the rivers in our veins. With every sip of fresh water, we are so very blessed. Each sip of fresh water we receive from Mother Nature's breast. The rivers are full not only of water, it's the blood which unites. We are part of each other and nature. Yeah, that's right, because Mama Nature is within. Mama Nature is under our skin, and we can't turn our backs on nature, because our backs are made out of her. We love you, Mama Nature. The air that we breathe is made up of kisses from the leaves. There is enough fresh air for everything that breathes. Melodies of rubbing branches sung by the wind are the very same melodies bubbling up from under our skin. So don't believe the eye that says that we are separate from the sky. The atmosphere is within and around you and I. Yes, the clouds and blue, they are part of me and you. We are united by the air we breathe. It's true, because Mama Nature is within. Mama Nature is under our skin, and we can't turn our backs on nature, because our backs are made out of her. We love you, Mama Nature. Stars burn in our eyes through cloudy skies of fear and pain, but the flame is growing brighter after the clouds have turned into rain. For after our teardrops cleanse the earth and the clouds begin to part, a rainbow stretches and at its end is our shining heart. And in our passion our soul is ignited, and by the eternal flame we all are united. By this divine light with it we can see the self-same fire in you and me, because Mama Nature is within. Mama Nature is under our skin, and we can't turn our backs on nature, because our backs are made out of her. We love you, Mama Nature. Now that we can clearly see the power of one tiny seed, it's a mystery that all of the abundance and peace. But tell me what's with all the fighting and a fuss war. The abundance the universe does give is the only way that anything ever lives. Now don't waste your time on your jealousy or greed. Mama Nature provides everything we need. Yeah. Mama Nature, Mama Nature, Mama Nature. She's in me and I'm in her. Mama Nature is within. Mama Nature's the land we're standing, the water we're drinking, the air that we're breathing, the fire that we're burning. She's growing in our garden.
We love you, Mama Nature.